So after clicking on it, it's going to come to this side. So what you do, you click on start from photo. Then if it is your latest gallery, what you want to edit is your latest gallery, and you can just click on latest gallery. But if it is not, you can just go to your camera, your gallery, and then search for what you need. Okay, so I'm trying to look for a picture here that I can use. Okay, let me use this. Automatically is going to remove the background. It's going to remove the background. So what I do next is I want it on a transparent form, so I'm going to click on transparent. Okay, can you see it? I've clicked on transparent. You don't have to worry about the photo room that is written here. When we're about to use the other app, it's going to remove the photo room. Okay, so then I export my video and save to gallery. Alright, so this is how I remove my background, and then it will only just bring out the product alone. Alright, so thank you for watching. Watch out for the second video on how to edit your picture using CapCut.